If you're currently looking for a robot vacuum and mop and you're thinking about buying the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni, then this video is for you. I'll quickly summarize everything you need to know, what actually matters in everyday use, and if it's worth it. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Let's begin with the price, because honestly, that's what most of us care about first. Right now, the Deebot X8 Pro Omni costs around $550. And for a robot vacuum and mop with a full Omni station, that is actually a very interesting price. Because this is not just a simple robot vacuum. It vacuums, mops, washes the mop, dries it, empties the dustbin, and can even add cleaning solution automatically. So the real question is not just, is it good? The real question is, how much convenience do you get for the money? Let's start with vacuuming. The Deebot X8 Pro Omni has 18,000 pascal suction power. Now, suction numbers alone do not tell you everything because brush design, navigation, and floor type also matter. But 18,000 pascals is definitely very strong on paper. For normal dust, crumbs, pet hair, and dirt on hard floors, this should be more than enough. It also has Zero Tangle 2.0, which is designed to reduce hair wrapping around the brush. And if you have pets or long hair in the household, you know exactly why this matters. A robot vacuum should save you time, not force you to clean hair out of the brush every few days. Now let's talk about the main feature, the Osmo roller mopping system. Most robot mops either drag a cloth behind them or use two spinning mop pads. This one uses a roller mop that cleans itself while it's mopping. Fresh water is added, dirty water is removed, and the mop keeps cleaning as the robot moves across the floor. And that is actually a big difference. With many robot mops, the mop gets dirty and then continues wiping the floor with that same dirty mop until it returns to the station. Here, Ecovacs tries to avoid that problem. The roller can spin up to 200 revolutions per minute, and Ecovacs says the system uses 16 fresh water nozzles to keep it clean while working. Is this the same as manually scrubbing your floor? No, of course not. If something sticky has dried on the floor for days, don't expect miracles. But for everyday maintenance, footprints, kitchen floors, and light stains, this is a much more serious mopping system than what you can get from basic robot mops. The Omni Station is also a big part of the package. It can wash the mop with hot water up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, or 75 degrees Celsius. It can dry the mop with hot air, empty the dustbin, and automatically add cleaning solution. And this is where the value becomes interesting. For around $550, you are getting features that are usually found in much more expensive robot vacuums. You also get True Edge 2.0, where the roller mop and side brush can extend closer to edges and corners. That is useful because many robot vacuums clean the middle of the room well, but leave dirt near walls and corners. But of course, not everything is perfect. First, even with a station, this is not zero maintenance. You still need to refill, clean water, empty dirty water, replace dust bags, and clean parts from time to time. Second, the mop lift is 10 millimeters. That is useful for carpets, but if you have thick rugs or high pile carpets, I would still be careful. And third, obstacle avoidance is helpful, but I would not blindly trust any robot vacuum with cables, socks, or small objects on the floor. It has RGB obstacle avoidance and DTOF navigation, so it should be smarter than basic models, but it's still a robot vacuum. So who should buy the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni? If you have mostly hard floors, some carpets, pets, long hair, and you want a robot vacuum that can also mop seriously, then this is a very interesting option. Especially at around $550, I think the price-performance ratio is strong. You get strong suction, a serious mopping system, hot water mop washing, self-emptying, hot air drying, and automatic cleaning solution. But if you only need basic vacuuming, then honestly, this is probably overkill. You can spend less and still get a simple robot vacuum that removes dust from your floor. So my recommendation is this. At around $550, the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni makes a lot of sense. If it stays around this price, I think it's a very good deal. If it goes much higher, closer to $700 or $800, then I would start comparing it more carefully with other premium models. But at around $550, this is definitely one of the more interesting robot vacuum and mop options right now. If you want to check the current price, scan the QR code or use the link in the comments. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.